Hello and welcome to this meditation. This is Diana. I am accompanied by an angel, and we wish to bring the light of the sky to you. Paying attention to the present moment. What does this really mean? When you are paying attention to the present moment, then you are fully absorbed in the here and now. This is what people say. But how do I manage to rest in the present moment, not to be carried away by thoughts and feelings, but to just enjoy the here and now, to be aware of the joy of the present moment? The flowers you are surrounded by in spring, the blue sky shining down to you, and maybe also the rain that smells beautifully on a summer day and gracefully waters the trees and the flowers. I would like to practice a little bit with you, to bring you back into the present moment. The present moment is your anchor. Go and look for a peaceful and calm place where you will be able to enjoy some quiet time. Please sit down comfortably, still in an upright position, and just follow your breath. When you sit up straight, it will almost flow peacefully by itself, as your belly can move backward and forward easily. Can you feel your breath that keeps you alive? Just as much as the water keeps the plants alive. Follow your breath for a little while in your body. Be aware of the movements of your belly, up and down, up and down, as the life breath moves in you. Can you feel your breath in your nose? Breathing in, it is cool. Breathing out, it carries the warmth of your body into the world. Through your breath, you are connected to the universe, to the energy field of this planet, the Earth, and eventually with every other creature on this planet. To breathe is to be alive. And when your breath becomes your anchor, you are fully absorbed by life. In order to be alive, you do need your breath. Oxygen, prana, energy that flows with your breath into your body. Breathe in and breathe out for a little while. And then move your attention to the outside world. What can you perceive with your senses? Can you hear the birds or the leaves in the wind? Can you hear the neighbor's dog bark or the cars on the street? Everything is fine. Everything is just a perception of your senses. A sound from outside that comes into your inner world. Become aware of it and let it go and just carry on to the next sound that you can hear. And now, come back to your inner world, to your body. Feel your body. Become aware what is going on inside of you. Are there thoughts that disturb you? Thoughts that hinder you to be absorbed in the here and now? Listen to those thoughts. They want your attention. They want to be heard. And when you have listened to them for a while, then just let them go. Release them and let them flow, like the clouds in the sky. Your breathing is your anchor place. Always come back to it. Especially when there are many thoughts and feelings. Always come back to your breath. Observe your belly moving up and down. Pay attention and become aware where you can feel your breathing in your body. And whenever there are feelings, no matter whether they are good or bad, in any case, return to your breath. This way, they will be resolved, and you will be lighter in your heart. And now open your eyes. What can you see? What colors can you see? Look around for a little while. Become aware of forms, shapes and colors, and let them flow into your eyes, into your heart. Now close your eyes and come back to your anchor place, to your breath. What is going on in your body? Pay attention to everything that comes up. Can you feel tension? Or are you feeling relaxed? Maybe you're feeling some pain. It might have been there before already, but now you're paying more attention to it. Now you can give it some love, some of your time. Why don't you ask the pain how it is feeling, why it is there? Have you ever done this before? Have you ever talked to your pain or to the tension in your body? Observe it and ask it. Is it loud or is it quiet? What color does it have? Is it sharp or is it dull? Observe it for a while and ask it. Ask it about its story. Everybody in life wants to tell its story. The pain as well. maybe then it will disappear by itself. Everything and everyone in life is looking for attention and love. And so is the pain, is the tension in your body. When a child is crying and you listen to it, you hug it, you give it attention and love, then its tears will fade away after a while. It will smile again, and you will see the sun shining in its heart. And now, come back to your breath, to your anchor place. Feel it, how it flows into your body, how it caresses you from the inside. Just as much as the wind sometimes caresses your cheeks in spring or in summer. You enjoy this, and this as well is paying attention to the here and now. If you would like to, just follow your breath for a while. Continue to watch your belly moving up and down. Listen to the sounds that surround you and open your eyes widely to the beauty of nature, to the beauty that is around you. Don't judge anything and just carry on. And always come back to your breathing, to your inner anchor. Now take a deep breath in and out. Move your fingers and your hands. Take a deep breath and sigh when you breathe out. Start moving your entire body and take a good stretch. Your day is waiting for you, just as well as your daily tasks. But now you have more strength, more inner peace. And any moment during your day, you can come back to your inner anchor, to your breathing. It will bring you back to the present moment and give you peace for a little while. It will carry prana, energy, and the cosmic love into your heart and into your life. Thank you for having joined me in this meditation. I wish you a peaceful and a wonderful day, and I hope you will return to me for the next meditation. Goodbye.